With her can-do attitude, love of simple gardens, and decades of experience, Charlie Dimmock is one of Britain's best-loved gardeners.
Looking good, boys.
But the new kids on the gardening block are the Rich brothers.
We want to be the brothers that change people's perceptions of gardens.
Winners of multiple medals at the Chelsea Flower Show.
Oh, good turn.
Amazing, isn't it?
The boys have become known for their dramatic outdoor spaces. Now, these two different generations of gardening are going head-to-head.
I know they've got a gold medal, but I can come up with a few ideas.
They're meeting frustrated garden owners across the country
Not a lot going on, is there? Not a lot.
I don't know what to do with it.
and will each pitch them a design based on their needs and budget.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Doesn't look like it could be our garden.
The winner brings their design to life,
Hold on.
Sweet as enough.
and the loser has to help them build it.
Keep working, boy.
Whoa. Easy.
This is what happens
Just get on with it. Sometime today will be good.
when different styles collide
I think your brother's throwing the toys out of his pram. Right, we're doing this.
to turn garden dreams into reality.
Open your eyes.
Oh, it's lovely.
Wow.
Look at that.
It's not our garden.